Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel for another video. If you would like to see how I achieve this beautiful blowout look, then keep on watching. So I'm going to be starting out by detangling my hair thoroughly with the Demin brush. I've already put my leave-in and heat protectant spray into my hair. So I'm just combing this section through. So I'm going to be starting out by stretching my hair using the tension method with the blow dryer. So I use this method on each section until I feel like my hair is stretched good enough. Just to my liking, you don't have to do this, but this is just what I prefer to do on my hair. So once I'm done using the tension method on my hair, I like to go back in using my detangler brush along with my blow dryer and use the chase method to furthermore stretch my hair. So as you guys just saw, I'm going to repeat those same exact steps around my entire head. As you can see, I've completed one side of my hair, and so far I am loving the results. My hair is flowy, it's not stiff, and even with the blowout, my hair it has movement to it and it feels very light, and that's because of the products that I use in my hair. As I've shown you guys in the beginning of the video, I've only used those two products into my hair because I didn't want it to have my hair weighing down. So this is what my hair is looking like. I am loving my results. This is my second blowout I've done on my natural hair, and I've been natural for 2 years and 4 months. So here's a picture from last year when I did a blowout on my hair. My hair has grown tremendously, and I was in that stage to where I thought my hair wasn't growing at all. That concludes this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, peace.